Helo pawb, fi'n nôl i Cas Chwech. That word, amseriadau, I can read. Byd ni'n mynd dros y timings, the beats, and hefyd bydd agor lan y program fi'n siarad am gwers diwethaf sydd yn, I guess, fideo diwethaf sydd yn Audacity. Yn gyntaf ddo, mae'n rhaid i ni gweld beth ni'n cael. So if we press play. Dwi gweld fod hwn yn tym bach rhy gyflym. Now, let's send hwn mewn i, let's say, 406. So again, fath mae'n gwell i copy. Copio hwnna, Control C, and then double click Control V, double click V, double click Control V, Control V. If we press play now, we can see what we have. Gweld hwn yn mwynhau perffaith. That's all we really need. Byd ni angen now, carry ymlaen until ni'n cael to the dun 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 dun. See them simply find the last slide, which is the hands up in the air, which is a really balanced start on. So what we'll do is insert one frame. Now it's 0.46, I'm going to say. Yes, okay, 0.46. And then byd ni copio rhain, these lovely hands, Control C. Delay these horrible ones, paste these guys in, Control G to make sure they're grouped. It makes life easier in the long run. Does it? It does. Yes, it does. As you can see, we forgot to put the instrument in because I'm a dimwit. We'll do that last because that's easy. That's easy because I can make it run forward. This is the important part anyway. So os now ni'n gwneud hon, we can insert a frame. We'll do it for 3 frames and we'll do 0.46. Insert. Find the starting one, which is, we want these anyway, so Control C. So that's 1. This would be 1. Okay, never mind. Okay, this one here. Control C. Delete. Control C. We want that left here. We want that. Oh, there we go. Now, if we press play, it should load, hopefully not crash. Okay, so now what we probably want is here, copy, delete, Control C. So now we have this brief port at the end. Remember to save. Saving's great. Apparently, mae eisiau fi safio fe as I newydd because gyda fi yn stupid. Let's make it as Mark 4 then. Oh no, because it's a keyframe now, isn't it? Okay, so press play. Okay, bron and perffaith. Well, hwn wedi bod yn 8 munud long, which is way too long for something so simple. Bydd fi gweld ti tro nesaf, i nesaf ble ni'n dechrau gyda the cool drums, because that's going to be a nightmare to put in now. Ond, don't worry, I have a plan. Bydd gweld ti mewn y fideo nesaf. Over.